Hey, this is Peter Vekselman. So we're here on Lake Lanier in my boat, and I want you to take a look at right behind me, this little reef, I guess that's up. And the reason I want to point that out to you is about a week ago, we were tubing right here right in this area. I had two of my kids and one of their buddies on the back of the boat, and we were actually coming in behind there, and I flew right on top of that, and the boat got stuck. I mean, we hit that thing. I didn't even see it. It was kind of getting dusk, and I hit that thing, and boom, we stopped, just about stopped. I mean, we were just kind of tailing back and forth. And see, at that point, I had a couple different options. One option is we got a great tow package that we have here. I could have called a towboat, and probably within 30 minutes, since it was not an emergency, within 30 to 40 minutes, they would have sent someone out here. They would have pulled us right off. Option two, I could have shut it all down. I could have jumped out of the boat, fumbled through, and I guess try to push it off myself. But it's weird, as close as that is, I mean, literally behind us, we're in about 30 to 35 foot deep of water, so you can't really get a good can't get good traction here. So I did option number three, and what I did is I actually gunned it through there. And the boat, just by simply throwing the throttle down, we came right off of it within a second or two. And so the analogy that I want to share with you is that's how this real estate business works. See, I know either right now as you're listening to this, or sometime in the past, or definitely in the future, you're going to have these kind of moments in your business where you're going to be stuck. You could be stuck on making calls. You could be stuck on doing deals. You could be stuck on working with bird dogs. You could be stuck on financial situations. You could be stuck on working with contractors. You could be stuck because you haven't had a closing in longer period than you ever had. I hear you. I've been there, done that. And just like my situation here, you got a couple options. And see, what I see happen so often is when people get stuck in this business, they shut it down. They literally shut the whole thing down. That is their way of solving their problems. They stop doing the business. My challenge to you is at that point, not only do you not stop, not only do you not shut it down, my challenge to you is at that point you put the throttle down and you accelerate and you blow right through it. So for some reason your challenge is talking to sellers and it's totally getting you down and you're frustrated beyond any end right now. See, my challenge to you, if you're talking to 10 or 15 sellers a week, my challenge to you is gun it through and talk to 50 sellers a week. My challenge to you is that if you don't have any closings on your closing board, my challenge to you, get about 50 of them on there. Whatever your situation is in this business, and I got you. I know it's a legitimate one, and that is the reason that you should shut it down. My challenge to you is no matter what it is, gun it through there. Accelerate through it. Do more of whatever you're facing that's keeping you from being successful in this business. See, because when I gunned it through there, two things happened. One, boom, I got off of it quicker than any other options I had. Number two, I learned that in this part of the water, what to do. So the reason you want to really, really gun it through your challenges is A, it's the quickest way to overcome them. Two, they're great learning experience. In the future, you'll know how to avoid them. So figure out what your challenges are, what's stopping you from this business, and don't decelerate and for sure don't stop. Actually do the opposite, do the counterintuitive thing. Gun it through, explode through the process. Hey, you guys know what we do here. We do a ton of deals, and I have a one-on-one coaching program where I coach people just like you to help become very, very successful real estate investors. So if you're a buyer or you know other buyers literally all over the world that are looking for deals in the Georgia market, specifically concentrated towards Atlanta, you need to be on our buyers list. By now, you'll see my email scrolling across the screen. Send me an email. Just say, add me to the buyers list. And on a daily basis, you're going to get some terrific, both ROI and equity-driven deals emailed right directly to you through email. The other thing, if you're looking to become a successful investor, whether you're brand new, just getting started, or whether you're doing it already and you're looking to be a bigger, more sophisticated, more savvy investor, I know I could help you do that. Again, you could either send me an email to learn more about my one-on-one coaching program, or better yet, right below this video, there's a link right directly to my website, coachingbypeter.com. You can go straight there and learn more about how I could help you become very successful in this industry.